here from AngelRose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here to make a card for you guys for Christmas. Okay? So I have all my measurements down. I'm getting there. So I took an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock and cut it down to 11 and 5 by 5 and 9/16 and scored it at 5.5. Okay? And then I have two pieces that are 5 1/8 by 5 1/4. Okay, we got those. I have my focal point here that is 3 and 13/16 by 4 7/8. Then I have my little gift card pocket thingy here that is 5 5/16 by 1 5/16. Okay, and then I have my bow. So let's get started with all this, y'all. I'm going to take one of these here, and this will be on my blog, in my group, and everywhere. Okay? I'm going to put this on here, and I have the other one for the inside. Okay? So get my glue. You can use Fuzzy Pack, you can use Beacon 3-in-1, you can use score tape, or whatever. But for me, I want to use the glue. So, let me try to find something to clean the nozzle out with. Because even though we have these kind of nozzles, they still do get clotted. So you have to clean them up a little bit. Even though you have something in it to stop it from clotting, it still clots. So, I mean, you can do this two ways. You can put score tape on the edges and glue in the middle, or the way I'm doing it. Alright? I want to leave that 1/8 of an inch on all four sides. I inked my pieces so I didn't have to, rush through doing it and everything. As you all know, I have my little paper cardstock that is laminated to do this with. Okay, so next we're going to take our piece here and put it in the center here. Okay, now this is going to be a quick project here. I use the glue because I want a little bit of wiggle room. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my finger here. And I want the same amount on each side and the top and bottom. And take my roly-poly. Alright, got that done. Let's do the inside, as I can see everything is in. I'm going to do the same thing on inside. I mean, I do use score tape a lot for the camera, but I wanted that little bit of wiggle room just in case. See that? I almost put that on the wrong way, y'all. See how I got that little wiggle room? And right there. There. Alright. Now I'm going to take this piece. I'm going to put glue here, here, and here. So we have the opening for a gift card. Alright? And that's going to go right there. Wait a minute. I got to do something here because this is a little too long. So I got to trim down just a little bit. And I reround my corners and check it, alright? Okay. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't, y'all. Add a little bit more ink here. Now, that's the way I want it. So I'm going to put glue here and here. And then we can put a sentiment here, but I don't have a sentiment. Let me see on this strip here. Let me see. I forgot to pull my sentiment, y'all. Merry everything and happy always. I don't want that. So, I know they have some stickers in her. Okay. Let's see. I don't know. Well, I'm going to use two of these flags here. Let's use this one and this one. And we can just offset one here. Offset it just a tiny bit and put one there. And Mr. Roller comes into play. The front has Noel, but I want something for the inside, but this doesn't have the greeting I'm looking for. You see, these settings here is mostly, I mean, what you see here is probably somewhere on here. Okay, I found one. I got it. Right here. Right there. So I'm going to put Merry Christmas on the inside. Okay, so now, to show y'all, you can fit a gift card in here. Okay, so that is it for this project. I would like to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you oh, I forgot the bow, y'all. They didn't tell me. I forgot the bow. Let's put the bow right here. And I'm using a Cartabella, I believe. Let me see. Yep, it's Cartabella. Cartabella paper and Nina cardstock. You put that right there. Hold it for a second. Now, I need something to put on top of that to bling. You see, I'm not always well prepared for my projects, y'all. Some of it comes as I go. Some of them don't. So, I will let y'all go for now. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, stay safe, be blessed, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video on the flip side. Bye bye for now.